Hi, quick video today, Teardown teaser and quiz at the same time. So this is the latest thing I did receive from eBay. I will not tell you anything, you have to guess. Just I can tell you it is an old contraption. I have another one, little thing here, appetizer Teardown, but this I will not tell. Little bit of a zoom for you. So one thing I can tell is that apparently I did just improve a lot my collection of asbestos and beryllium, and also mercury here. Interesting. So you have to guess whatever this thing can be. It is very, very special, I can tell you, and I am quite happy with it. The teardown will actually be quite fast because since you open this thumb screw, you see all the insides except electronics behind the metal plate. So it will be quite easy to do as a video, except that it is a little bit oversized for my bench, and we will have to scroll around all the stuff. Okay, so make your guess, and there is another little thing here, just an appetizer. You can also make your guess for this. Obviously it is not the same area of application. This looks more laboratory or medical, and this looks more military. Also maybe you did see which kind of letterings we have here and which country it might be from. Okay, so stay tuned for the teardowns. This little thing I can expect to do it this by the end of this week maybe. This will most probably be in 1 or 2 weeks. I will do my best, but for now, as you can see, nice stuff, and not your it is not necessary you go at your local electronic stores and try to get the same thing. I can just tell you this. It will not be available. So, thanks for watching. Bye bye.